What if I say you are going to earn money as much as you want just by capturing photos? Yes, I mean capturing photos. No matter what device you have an Android smartphone, or you have a camera, or you have an iPhone and Apple's phone. No matter which phone you have, but you are going to just earn money as much as you want. More you capture, more you earn. So I will tell you today how you can earn $5 to $500, $1,000 per month, per week, as much as you work, and so you earn. So today I will share you, because in today's age everyone like to capturing the photos. As you know that I also like to capture the photos, then whatever I see in my streets, in my neighborhood, or in my farm, wherever I go, I like to capture pictures. So that's why today I will show you how you can earn money by just capturing photos and uploading it. So stay tuned with me. If you haven't subscribed my channel, just go subscribe now, and also don't forget to smash that bell icon, because whenever I upload videos about earning, about crypto, about technology, about anything that I will upload, you will be notified. So stay tuned with me. As you know that photography is the main component of life. Everyone wants to capture selfies, pictures, and sometimes we need also pictures. We just go and Google it. I need a picture of a red hat, I need a picture of a laptop, I need a picture of my pet, I need a picture of Doge. Whatever, you just go and Google and search about everywhere pictures. Okay, so what if you uploaded your videos and your pictures, and someone search about a red hat, and your head will appear on them. Even every time they download your red hat, then you will be earned. So I will show you. As you know that there are a lot of stock websites out there. As you know, Unsplash is also a site for downloading stock footages. Here you can see there are thousands and thousands of photos out there, so you can get it and you can download it and for free and use it as your pictures, as in your project, whatever you want to add it. Is it in just free? If you wanted to interest, you just paid, you can buy it. And as you know, I also use it, download images from Unsplash to use it in my projects, I will use it in my thumbnails, YouTube videos. Okay, and there's another website of stock photos is Shutterstock. As you know, Shutterstock is also famous website for downloading images. Okay, there are a lot of websites. You can just go and Google and search the stock photo website. You will get every website where you can download the stock photo. There you can upload and earn money from it. Okay, so today's video I'm going to show you a demo of Shutterstock. Okay, as you know that Shutter is a website where you can download or purchase images for your projects. As you know, there are thousands and thousands categories and images are there. Search or download whatever you wanted to download and get it. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, you need to open a website, shutterstocks.com, and then now you have to click on a sign up. For sign up, you simply need an email address. Just add your email address and just add your password, then click you have to continue. Then later you have to fill other condition like your name, address, or anything etc. Just I already have created account, that's why I'm not going to create it. So I'm taking you to the my account. Okay, here you can see I already created my account and I am logged in with my account. So here you can see this, I have in my account. I uploaded a image of a turtle. I was going in a farm and I saw that a turtle, and I just captured it from a smartphone, and then I just uploaded it. Okay, that's why I get it, a turtle image. Here I uploaded. Whenever someone try to download this image, and I will be paid by Shutterstocks. That's why I wanted to say you, if you are interested, just go. As you know, photography is a passionate. I'm also passionate. If you are also passionate about photography, just go click and some capture. Just try to capture positively. When try to capture image where there's a good light, there's a good condition. Try to give your best to download it now, so it will capture it now. And then you have to just create an account on a Shutterstock, and then you have to upload it. What if the 1,000 people download your images? It means you are going to earn more. What if per year there are 1 lakh people download it? The more people download, the more you earn. Here I already created my account and I uploaded it.